In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare the rocket engine and then install it into your rocket. In order to get your rocket engine, you're going to need to bring me your rocket scoring rubric, and I should have checked A, B, C, and D, and if anywhere along in here you see the word fixed that is circled, you will need to fix that before you can ask me for a rocket engine. So again, you're going to need your scoring rubric, you're going to need your completed rocket, and then I will give you a rocket engine, an igniter, and a plug. And some of you, when you get your plug, there's going to be little pieces either on this end or on the other end here. Just twist those off. So hold your rocket engine as I'm holding it here, take your igniter and push it straight in, or actually don't even push it, just place it in, and then put your finger, your thumb here, and press down so that your igniter now is at a 90-degree angle to your rocket. Next, take the plug and put the plug in. Once you put the plug in, you are not to take and twist the igniter around like this. All right? If you do that, what will happen is the wires will get crossed, and sometimes you don't even see it, and then your rocket will go nowhere. The next step is to take and bend your clips, the ends of the rocket engine igniter, and bend them out at a 90-degree angle, about halfway down here. So like this, and like that. So they should basically be 180 degrees apart. After you've done that, you're going to take and make sure that you do not have the igniter anywhere near the clip, the rocket engine clip, and the launch lug. So you want to have that opposite of those two things. I'm going to take and slide it in like that, and this is how it should look when you're done. After you've done that, in order for me to check you off that you're ready to launch, you're going to need to bring me your rocket engine. I'm going to want to check this, and I'm also going to want to check that your parachute is packed correctly and your nose cone is on. Otherwise, that's it.